Bacare a Declan Poole sefyll dros y bêl yma. Bacare yn chymanu mynd ar y postyn. Harrison yn llonydd. Bydd y postyn yn llonydd hefyd, ond dim am hir. Taro'r ergyd gan Bacare. Cabango. Gael amser i redeg at Cwrt Cosby. Cei Connah, Mylwer yn heipio i Danny Holmes yn y Cwrt Cosby cael ei dynnu nôl. Na, mynd ar dyfarnwr. Mylwer eisiau mynd i beit Danny Holmes. Holmes yn clirio fyny tuag at Andy Owens, mae tu cefn i Cabango. Bas gamit gat Cwrt Cosby'r ergyd. Llain y 90 eiliad o'r ail hanner. Wedi chwarae. Gol gynta o'r tymor i Andy Owens. Smonach llwyr yng nghanol amddiffyn y Seintiau Newydd. Cei Connah 1, y Seintiau Newydd ddim. Hudson chwilio am Redmond. Ffyrddiau cynta da. Ciselewicz cyfle i'r Seintiau. Yn crynhoi i gêm o hyd yma. Adrian Ciselewicz. Bacare i lwybr Wicknell eisiau troi yn mynd heibio i Spender. Thyn ni nôl i Bacare. Rwysiad ddifn sy'n dal i fyny yn y gwynt ag at George Orr yn mynd i sgini Andy Owens. O, yna fwy amser nag oedd y ddisgwyl. Redmond ar gig gornel tuag at Cabango. Mae bron ddo wneud i fyny am ei gamgymeriad. Redmond, bas wych i lwybr, Greg Draper, dio ddim yn camsefyll yn dimau o. Ond mae hwnna yn agos iawn. Yn bas wych gan Redmond.
Fantastic, yeah. You know, what more can I ask for really from the first two games? And you know, in any set of games, if you've got TNS in them in 2 games, you'd take 4 points. To take 6 points is fantastic, and in the manner of the performance as well. You know, let's not try and kid ourselves just how good they were in the first half, especially where we dominated the game. You know, we've had I think 5 corners to their none, probably 4 or 5 shots hit the post. John Danby hasn't had a save to make really. And then, you know, the second half, once we got our noses in front of us, and they're a very good team, they're always going to ask questions of you, changing their formation, different systems, switching personnel to try and cause us a problem. But we batted it off, and, you know, the identity of this club from the moment I came to it was based on clean sheets. And, you know, we get our noses in front, you know, you're gonna find it hard to break us down, because the detail in their jobs, you know, is massive, and none of them switched off. And you know, I keep talking to them about dope football against TNS. Who's going to be the dope that'll switch off? And even when they did by half a yard, they managed to get back in, and you know, really, really good.
It's always a tough place to come, and you know, there wasn't a lot of football played today. More of a physical game and what have you. And I just think we matched them first half, physicality and set plays and that which they're good at. So they'll be disappointed to come out second half and concede within a minute or so. So just told them, you know, very disappointing. But if teams are going to go man for man, and you've just got to have that little bit of extra initiative and try and work them out, you know.
Obviously, last season TNS lost the first game against Bangor. They've lost the second game this season. Is that a psychological blow, do you think?
No, not at all. Not at all. They could go and win the next 10 games and take 30 points quite easily. You know, such as the identity of their club, what they've created over the last 5 or 6 years since I've been in here. So, you know, maybe a good time to play them. You know, I don't want to take anything away from our lads, but you know, I've seen TNS a lot sharper and a lot brighter than that. And in saying that ourselves, you know, although we were defended very well, I thought some of our offensive play was poor at times. You know, we weren't sharp, we weren't creating, we didn't do what we did against Llanelli. But you know, I think the nature of the game, as the game went on, you're trying to protect that 1-0, and you know, and listen, there's 8 goals in 2 games and 2 clean sheets, and the 2 clean sheets are huge, because that's what the last 2.5 years have been all about.
At the end of the season, we'll be top of the league again. We'll be winners, no doubt about it. It's just a little hiccup, but we go again.